Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be learning the basics of the language Kannada. Well, the topic for today is food. Let us learn a few commonly eaten foods and a few cooking related action words. But wait, before we get started, what do you think food is called in Kannada? Well, it is called Uta. Uta. First, we have milk. Milk is halu. Halu. For example, ಒಂದು glass halu, ಒಂದು glass halu, which translates to 1 cup of milk. Next, water. Water is ನೀರು, ನೀರು. Cashew. Cashew is ಗೋಡಂಬಿ, ಗೋಡಂಬಿ. For example, ಐದು ಗೋಡಂಬಿಗಳು, ಐದು ಗೋಡಂಬಿಗಳು. This means 5 cashews. Moving on, raisins. Raisins is drakshi. Let me repeat it, drakshi. Powder. Powder is pudi. Let me repeat that, pudi. Almond. Almond is badami. For example, kandu badami. Kandu badami, which means brown almond. Peanuts. Peanuts are kadlekai. Kadlekai. Next, salt. Salt is uppu. Uppu. For example, pudi uppu. Pudi uppu. This means powdered salt. Sugar. Sugar is sakkare. Let me repeat that, sakkare. Next, butter. Butter is benne. Benne. Curd. Curd is mosaru. Mosaru. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are karibevu. Karibevu. For example, hasiru karibevu. This means green curry leaves. Dill. Dill is sabbakki soppu. Let me repeat that again. Sabbakki soppu. Oil. Oil is yenne. Yenne. Next, ghee. Ghee is tuppa. Tuppa. Coconut. Coconut is tengina kai. Tengina kai. Dry copra. Dry copra is kobri. Let me repeat that, kobri. Moving on, coriander leaves. Coriander leaves are called kottambari soppu. Kottambari soppu. Jaggery. Jaggery is bella. Bella. Tamarind. Tamarind is hunase hannu. Let me repeat that, hunase hannu. Tamarind. Red chili powder. Red chili powder is kempu menasina pudi. Let me repeat that, kempu menasina pudi. Turmeric. Turmeric is harshina. Harshina. Lastly, mustard. Mustard is sasive. Let me repeat that, sasive. It's revision time. Now, let's play a quick memory game to revise all the food words we have learned so far. Match the pictures of the following foods to their Kannada translations. Let's get started. Up first, we have Uppu, Benne, and Bella. If this is how your answers look like, then you are absolutely right. Up next, we have Mosaru, Halu, and Badami. These are the right matches. Were you able to get them right? Moving on, Sasive, Tuppa, and Karibevu. These are the right answers. If you got them all right, then well done. Now, let's move on to the next topic of the day. Here, you are going to learn some action words that you would use while cooking. But wait, before we get started, what is cooking generally called in Kannada? Well, it's called ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು. Repeat after me. ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು. Starting with the first action word. To season. To season is ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ. Repeat after me. ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ. Next, to cook. To cook is ಬೇಯಿಸೋದು. ಬೇಯಿಸೋದು. To boil. To boil is ಕುದಿಸೋದು. ಕುದಿಸೋದು. To strain. To strain is ಸೋಸೋದು. Repeat after me. ಸೋಸೋದು. Moving on to heat. To heat is ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. To fry. To fry is ಕರಿಯೋದು. ಕರಿಯೋದು. To roast. To roast is ಹುರಿಯೋದು. Let's repeat that again. ಹುರಿಯೋದು. Lastly, to grind. To grind is ಅರಿಯೋದು. ಅರಿಯೋದು. Now we move on to our next segment, revision. Let's test your knowledge. An action word will be displayed on the screen. Say the Kannada word for it either aloud to yourself or type it down in the comment section. And double check to see if you get them all right. Starting with the first action word, to cook. Let's see whether you'll get this right. If you guessed ಬೇಯಿಸೋದು, then you are absolutely right. Yes, ಬೇಯಿಸೋದು in Kannada means to cook in English. Next, to strain. Let's see if you'll get this right. Was ಸೋಸೋದು your answer? Then you're right again. Yes, ಸೋಸೋದು in Kannada relates to strain in English. To heat is your next action word. Let's see if you'll get this right. Did you guess ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡೋದು? Well, that's the right answer. Yes, ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡೋದು in Kannada relates to heat in English. Moving on to the next word, to fry. If you guessed ಕರಿಯೋದು, then you are absolutely right. Yes, ಕರಿಯೋದು in Kannada relates to fry in English. Lastly, to grind. I hope you get this right as well. If "ಅರಿಯೋದು" was your answer, you are right. Yes, "ಅರಿಯೋದು" in Kannada relates to grind in English. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and participating. If you'd like to make any requests or share your feedback, do write to us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.